Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by confirming essentials, your Android model carrier, and that you have device admin access. Once done, open Settings and go to Network and Internet so you can change connectivity at the source. Make sure your SIM is inserted and charged. Emergency numbers like 911 or local services can bypass some restrictions, so we'll rely on system controls rather than third-party blockers. Now move to toggling the core controls that make the phone stop regular calls while still allowing emergencies. Next, enable Do Not Disturb to suppress incoming calls and notifications. This blocks ordinary calls immediately. In Do Not Disturb settings, set calls to none or starred contacts only so only prioritized lines get through. Choose None for strict blocking. Then turn on airplane mode from quick settings to suspend cellular service. On most Android builds, emergency calls remain possible even when radios are suppressed. Make sure Wi-Fi calling is off. That prevents routed voice over Wi-Fi from bypassing your blocks. Finally, verify the setup. Have a trusted person call to confirm normal calls are blocked while an emergency test. Use carrier test procedure or local emergency number only with proper caution remains reachable. If regular calls still come through, go back and disable Wi-Fi calling, check Do Not Disturb exceptions, and reboot the phone to apply settings. Troubleshooting tip: if blocking fails, contact your carrier. Some networks or devices override restrictions for emergency reachability, so they can explain carrier-specific.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.